So we have a nice little bit of trivia for those who would like to know more about the observatory. So for the observatory's Tower A, it's actually its motive is inspired by the Philippine Eagle. The premise here is that it's one of the highest points in the area that it not only changes the landscape, it also provides its residents the vantage and the comfort that a Philippine Eagle has.
Sorry.
Alright, so I'd also like to introduce to you the team of experts behind the observatory. So as you can see, it's not an entirely Filipino venture. It also has the blessing, the experience, and the push of our Japanese partners. So as you can see from the names here, we're not just banking on Filipino ingenuity, we're also banking heavily on Japanese efficiency, structural integrity, and of course, their reputation for being efficient and long-lasting. Now, I'd like to take you to the 3BR unit. So, 3BR unit, kindly take a look over here. 3BR unit, 148 square meters. So, let's zoom a bit over here. Yes, so that's the floor plan. So as you can see from the floor plan, the 3BR is a corner unit. And based on the layout, which we'll see later, each space is meticulously designed with comfort and efficiency in mind. Let's go inside the 3 bedroom. And just like the 2BR that came before it, we have the genkan, or the compartment where we place in the shoes. It's a Japanese affectation that enforces clean and healthy living. Of course, it's not entirely a Japanese thing, but the concept of the genkan came from the Japanese. Though, of course, us Filipinos have our own version of it. And we also have cabinets here as well. Now, for the living room, after a long day, who wouldn't want to just lounge around, watch some TV? Yeah, I mean, I won't. And just like the 2BR, it's blessed with a beautiful large window that excuse me, that provides natural lighting while also providing structural integrity and security. And then of course, after lounging around, who wouldn't want to have a meal with their family? This is the dining area. And speaking of which, the dining area also has access to the balcony. And compared to the balcony of a 2BR, this is a rather large one. Which means you can literally lounge around. And for the foodies like me, how can you forget the kitchen? Who wouldn't love this setup? Okay, it's practically more of the same with what you saw on the 2BR, but imagine this, you have a lot more space to work with. You need to slice some meats, it's here, veggies here, fruits, etc., while washing some dishes. And then, when you need to get something from the fridge, one simple turn. Again, if you need to do some microwaves and stuff, it's so ergonomically designed that it's not hard to fall in love with this part of the unit. Of course, speaking as a foodie. Now, every 3BR also comes with a helper's quarters or a or a utility room, whichever you see fit. Feel free to take a look. Another neat thing about the 3BR is that helpers have their own access to the unit directly going from the hallway directly going from connecting from the hallway into the unit's kitchen. Of course, if you don't fancy having household help, this is still a very convenient access because, well, I myself would appreciate it. I carry lots of groceries. Why would I being close to the kitchen?
Sorry.
Alright. Okay, ready? Who wouldn't, well, for those who don't fancy household help, who wouldn't appreciate this? I mean, I would. It is pretty convenient. Now, since we're talking about the 3-bedroom, let me show you the bedrooms themselves.
Okay.
Actually, when we talk about 3-bedroom units, it's almost like we're talking about a small house already. So feel free to take a look. So let's start with bedroom 1. And the cabinet and the door over there, that's access to the air conditioning unit. And no 3-bedroom would be complete without a common toilet and bath. And here's bedroom number 2. So one of the things that sets the observatory 3-bedroom apart from its peers is that it's a 3BR where one of the secondary units actually receives its own toilet and bath and is actually pretty large. And when you think that unit is already large, I welcome you to the master bedroom. A master bedroom with unapologetic space for clothes, personal stuff. You even have room for a personal office, TV, a very comfy toilet and bath. By the way, have I told you the toilet and bath is also a tub? And last but not the least, balcony access. So, compared to the balcony that we saw earlier, which is more for sharing with the family and guests, this one is more of a private thing. Perfect. So, yes, thank you for joining me on this tour of this. So, yes, thank you very much for joining me on touring this wonderfully and unapologetically spacious and comfortable 3BR unit here at the observatory, where you not only get space and comfort, but also accessibility to wherever you need to go. So again, I'm your friendly neighborhood broker, Robert, If you have any questions, you know where to find me. I'm just a call away, and see you.